Hey guys, I want to show you today how to monetize your SaaS project. Um, we will be using Stripe. This is a service that helps online businesses or software companies to monetize their products with subscription models or one-time payments, anything you like. And so, for example, you have written a software and deployed it successfully, and now you want people to pay for it. You need services like Stripe. I will be using Stripe today because for me it was the easiest to use and it's free. And it also has a lot of different functionalities. Normally, we need to re rewrite our software service because you will need to have like a landing page for your user that he will use the software once or twice, and then a window pops up to unlock the features of more users subscribe to the service, and then he will get lead to a payment page where he can insert his card ID, and then he will subscribe to your service, and then um, you will receive monthly payments from this user. So when you want, I first will show you how to use Stripe, and then in the next videos we will rewrite our service to fit a certain user flow so users can use your product, and after a few times they will get lead to a page where the features are listed, and then they will get convinced to pay for your service. So go to https github.com, Stripe samples, check out single subscription. This is the official page of Stripe, and then you will have a README, and you will just need to follow this README as we will do in this tutorial, and then you have a working example, and you kind of will get what idea will get an idea of how this works and what steps you will need to follow. Okay, so we getting back to the Stripe software service. Well, you actually just need to follow along the user manual they've written. It's a README. And let's start with the first steps, how to run it locally. And well, let's use Git to clone it manually. So we just copy this command and we open our Windows PowerShell terminal. You can also use a normal terminal, I guess. And then we need to navigate to the folder I prepared for showing you how to do it. Okay, then let's make a new folder for Stripe. And then, well, in your PowerShell, you can go cd and then fill in the path. There are also other ways, better ways to do it, but that's just my way. Then you we go back to the README, we clone the command, and then we use git clone to clone it. Well, to use the git command, you need the git command line interface, but I've covered that in another video, so make sure to check out that. Now, okay, we have cloned the repository. Yeah, you can see it here in our Stripe folder. We have this folder and we have a lot of new files. So it seemed to work. Then we go back to the README file. The next command is copy the example file into a file named nv, for example. Okay, well, that's good because we are already working with Node.js. It will be copied in a Node server and a Node folder, so this is good for us. Okay, my bad, I've had an error in my prompt or in my command. I was in the wrong folder because I was one folder above this folder, and I was one folder above this folder. Can I not go there? And you have to go into this folder and then give this path to the folder, go cd, then use the path, and from this folder then you can then copy the file. You can then use this command. So that was my mistake, but don't worry, this happens. Yeah, now everything went successfully. We can also go into the server node folder and we have a new file. What's in this file? Okay, so we have some we have a template for environment variables, and we can later use this. Then let's continue. The next, you will need a Stripe account in order to run the demo. Once you set up your account, go to Stripe Developer Dashboard to find your API keys. Okay, I've already made an account. This is why I can jump over some steps, but I will show you how. And you will also need this Stripe command line interface. This is why let's first go to the command line interface. Let's go to English. Okay, installation to CLE. So when you have Windows, you just go to this page, and then you install the latest version for Windows. Well, in my case it's Windows for x86 64. You install it, then you need to open the folder and unzip it. Yeah, so we'll need to go here, and then we need to extract all. Just extract it in the same folder, and then you can install it. Maybe Windows will tell you that it's dangerous to extract it, but just you can trust Stripe. It's the official website. You need to open command line exit to run it from here. Okay, So I hope everything has went smoothly. So I will look for Stripe. Just go Stripe -- version, and I think everything went fine because now you can see that I have installed it. Okay. So this is already good. And we will continue. So we've installed Stripe, and then you will need a Stripe account in order to run the demo. Once you set up your account, go to Stripe developer dashboard to find your API key. Okay, so this is the developer dashboard. And wait, I will translate it to English. And yes, okay, so once you have installed your Stripe CLE, you can use Stripe login to log in your account. Login, and then you remember this pairing code. It's lucid, liked, holy, hooray. And then just open this link with control and click. Okay, lucid, liked, holy, hooray. And then you need to allow the access. Yeah, grant access, and access granted. So you can now return to the CLE.